I'm just getting ready to let my birds go in the afternoon, a little earlier than normal. As you can see, I got quite a bit. Let it go, at least 20 of them, around 20 of them. I even got a homer in there and a couple baldies. They're gonna fly real good today. Let's see, watch these bad boys go. There they go. Doing a little exercise. Got the baldy there. He's flying. I got a bunch of young ones mixed in here with a couple of my old ones. It's a beautiful day. Now I got a few new ones in here I'm gonna let go. Try to get them settled into the loft in here today. I got a red, got a baldy. There they go. Here these guys go right here. Kind of a hot, muggy, windy day.